Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm repurposing my FAB FIT FUN box to gift a happy mail to my friend. In everything, give thanks. And this is one of the things that's going in here. It's just got some little treats and things for her daughter. Now, we both have daughters that are the same age, and they have become pen pals. So I haven't got the letter from my daughter yet, but I am going to staple this up and put a little card on there. But it matches actually the colors of the FAB FIT FUN box perfectly. So this will kind of be a little bit of a center point when you open the box so that it's kind of on top, because the fall box looks very fall from the outside. But on the inside, it actually isn't super fall colors, but it is similar colors to this little Halloween treat bag. Now, speaking of Halloween treat bags, there is a little Halloween treat bag packet that I have gifted her. So it's got all of these treat bags, and actually if you want to see a video of how I made this and all the treat bags that are inside, stay tuned till the end. I'm going to tuck that in there so she can have some treat bags to be able to gift to her friends or colleagues or what have you. So here's the first thing. We are exchanging pocket letters. But of course it becomes much more than just pocket letters. This is the sequin pocket that I have created for her with all these fun sequin mix, and there's all kinds of things inside. And the fun thing is she gifted these little sparkly flowers to me in our last Happy Mail, and I've recycled them and sent them back to her in a different purpose. So you can see I've got a video that I will link here, and that shows you how I made this pocket. But you can see on each one of these little pockets there is some stitching and a lot of sparkle and details. This is a little added touch that wasn't in the video. I did put this little ribbon on the top here, and I stitched around there. You can see some of these gorgeous fall leaves here. So that is, if you want to see how I made this complete pocket letter, you can check out the video. And then inside I have gifted her some fun little Halloween stickers. So these are some 3D stickers. These have glossy effects and these have googly eyes. Just totally adorable and cute little things here. Some teas that I did receive in my tea subscription, and some ribbons. So these were from Sips By, a little tea subscription service that I have, and I subscribe to it specifically to have some nice teas to gift to my pen pals. So I will tie that all up and put it in here. I have redone some packaging and gifted her some of these tags. I love these tags. They are fantastic for adding to a little card when you need a little sentiment that you don't want to pull out your stamps and you want to just have something quick to say smile or thank you, miss you, happy birthday. There's any number of different beautiful sentiments on here. So I have decorated up the packaging. This was already there, this little hexagon gold, and I thought I would play off of that and add a little bit of Maggie Holmes gold thickers on there, in addition to some Prima flowers and a little bit of this collection here. I have used the entire collection from Echo Park to create this, and I will link the collection. I think it's Falling Leaves. Actually, you know what it is? I'll say on here. Fall is in the air. That's what the collection is. So I'll show you that in a second. So there's a little Harvest Fall. I'm gifting her some of these beautiful flowers, lots of dimension and nice texture to add to a project. So I've decorated the top of that for her. Also gifted her these card sentiments and decorated the package. And these are great little sentiments to add, again, when you need to put something in or outside of a card. So those are a lot of fun, and those are from EK Success. I have made her a thankful and blessed little mini album. Now this I designed specifically around the gift that was inside. I wanted to gift her 2 sheet masks, and they are sort of kind of coordinating colors here with fall is in the air. That's how I knew. I cut this branding strip off and used that. You can see I've taken some of the elements like this gold polka dot and this bear from the outside, and I've carried it through to the inside. These cute little owls, autumn days, fun little pocket. So I have a video on this, how I created this pocket tutorial, which I will link here. You can use this kind of pocket for your traveler's notebook. I'm using it specifically to house these masks, but if you wanted to create one of these, they would fit nicely into a traveler's notebook. So you just have to make it the size of your book, but you can carry on that same sort of idea. Here's another little mini album that I have created for her. We are blessed and lucky to be with those we love and cherish with all of our heart, which is a perfect sentiment for this time of year when you've got Thanksgiving coming up. Again, I've tucked some teas into these little pockets right there. And I can link a video here as well, how you can create one of these fun little pocket folders. I've given her a few little tags inside these pockets here so that she can use those. And here it says fall days, sweater weather, hello autumn, and there's a cute little card envelope here that I've made, but instead of a card inside, it's got some little gems that I've gifted her. So you can just see how that opens up, and it's got a little gem inside, and that just tucks into this pocket with a little pull tag here that she can easily be able to get that out. And on the back it just says sweet as pie, which I've just sort of grounded with some trace of marker on the edge there. Here's another little repackaging of some beautiful flowers. I love these flowers. I use them a lot. They're very neutral sort of color that you can use any project, any time of year. You could make them fall, Christmas, spring, summer. The nice ivory is a great use. It matches well with the colors of the box, but then it also is very purposeful. I love this little fox, again from that same Echo Park collection, and the Maggie Holmes gold stickers carried throughout. And I'm gifting her some of these bows from Jolie's Boutique, and oh, actually they're from EK Success, which is Jolie's Boutique as well. So that is that. And I'm also going to show you here, I've created a card for her. I went to a Stampin' Up class. Hello Fall, it's pumpkin spice latte season. Super adorable card class that I went to with Linda James. She is a Stampin' Up rep here in my city, and she created this gorgeous card for us to recreate, and I put a little bit of a spin on it myself, but I really love all the textures, and it matches perfectly with this box that I'm sending off to her. So I'm going to add a couple more little treats in here and some letters and things. I'll fill out the card. My daughter will finish off her gift, and then we will get this happy mail sent on its way, and then I'll decorate up the top. Now, if you want to stay tuned until the end, I will show you the way that I created that little treat bag pouch. So I took the tag from the inside of the package out, and then I just came in with some of my scrap pieces of paper, and I used this ribbon with my tiny attacher to create a little texture to this. I used one of the fall ephemera, fall is in the air die cut pieces, one of these frames, and put that on there. So I'm just covering up the existing folder because I wanted to show the back how it has all the treat bags on it still. So I created everything on top of that little card that was the original label for the packaging, but I'm just redoing this. I cut a little tab off the end, or just sort of like notched the end of that little strip of paper so that I have a almost like a little banner looking sentiment or strip for across there. And then I also have decorated just a tiny few stickers and enamel dots And then I'm going to just take this packaging off. Now this is a trick that I do quite often, is I will take an existing package and I will put in my own tag. Now I will quite often create its own unique card itself, but because I wanted that on the back, I kept that the way that it was. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.